if you want to see what I do with this, stay tuned and I'll show you. Hey Roses, it's Olena from OlenaRosanne, and today is an extension off of my last video. I ordered 3 different temporary hair colors. These are the colors. We have a choice of a red, a blue, and a purple. The blue is called Blueberry Blast, the purple is called Purple Passion, and the red is called Sweet Rust. So we're going to go ahead and take this off. Okay, Roses, I'm back. My camera cut out. I had to delete some footage. I started watering again, so my makeup might be kind of messed up on this eye, but we're going to keep going. Okay, as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by this camera, this is the color that I chose and y'all chose on Instagram. We're going to be working with the Purple Passion. I've already taken the wrapper off, and as you can see, this is in a cute little jar. It's plastic, but the top reminds me of mason jars. I think it's cute, and I think that little picture on the top that says Passion is cute too. It's by Pretti Phizziez. Now, I may not be pronouncing this correctly. I had a time trying to pronounce it on my IG live, but just so you know, it's Pretti, spelled P-R-E-T-T-I, Phizziez or Phizziez, I don't know, but it's spelled P-H-I-Z-Z-I-E-Z. One of y'all can help me in the comments with how to pronounce it. I would appreciate it, because I don't want to keep butchering the name. This is a color cream. It is a temporary color, so you don't have to worry about damage. Don't gotta worry about any of that. The directions say smooth on to hair from ends to middle section of hair. Apply to hair until you achieve your desired color. Now those directions, pay attention. It says apply from end to middle section of your hair. So don't be going all the way up to your roots and then be wondering why you got some issues or whatever the case is. She already lets you know it's not meant to go all the way up to your roots. This is meant to give you a little bit of pizzazz. Liven up your curls, your coils, your kinks, your locks, whatever you're putting it on. And this is a conditioning cream. One thing I do like about on IG, she reminds us every single time she posts a new color or someone with the color, she reminds us every single time. This is a temporary color, and it's meant to be a conditioning cream, which is even better. The ingredients are aloe vera juice, water, sweet almond oil, xanthan gum, flaxseed oil, mango butter, cream base. This is wonderful. The ingredients are wonderful. Following her on IG, she does note that, you know, you can apply this to wet hair, but it's best used, or you may get better results, on dry hair. Let's get this. Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. Alright. So, I have my towel ready. I don't have any gloves. I'll wash it off my hands. So, you know, that'll be okay. Let me take off this. Ooh, that color, y'all. Do you see this color? Now, I'm not sure if it's going to be this vibrant on my hair. As with any hair color, the lighter your hair is, the more vibrant the color will be, right? Right. The best thing about this is a temporary color, and it's a conditioning temporary color. You can, in a matter of minutes, get the color you want, let it dry, and then you're done. So let me stop talking. Let me just go ahead and use this. Put it on right now. Okay, there it goes on my finger. Let's start putting some on my hair. Now I know I'm going to have to put my hair in a ponytail or something, because I got a lot of hair and I'm not trying to have purple stuff all over my face. This is a nice, super smooth consistency, as you can see. So it smooths on really easily. And this will be like I'm just, you know, refreshing my wash and go. Okay. So y'all see that so far? Hopefully this light is not washing out the color, because it is definitely purple. And actually what I'm going to do is put my hair into 2 ponytails. We're going to go from there. Don't think I'm going to do my whole head. I'm going to do mostly the sides and the top. This is pretty cool. It's not sticky. At least not now. I don't know what it's going to be like once it dries, but it's not sticky at all. It's just, it stays smooth the entire time. And it's probably thanks to the oils that are in it. So I really appreciate this. And it's just cute. Y'all, look at this. My color. I like how easily it spreads, so a little bit does go a long way. I barely used anything, and I have a lot of hair. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, that's enough for right now. You guys get the point. Is this not pretty? It's like I just sprayed my hair with some water and oil, and that's it. And it's actually, it's not oily. It's smooth. A little bit goes a long way. It's like an iridescent purple, which is why I chose it. It's true to the colors in the container, and I use half the container. So I'll be able to get another use out of this. I probably could have spread this throughout my hair some more, but we're just trying it. I'm happy to have a little bit more pep in my curls. I am someone who is not a stranger to color. I've colored my hair too many times to count throughout my life. Permanent, semi-permanent, and now this is my first time using temporary color from a black female-owned business. Now how's that? So anyway, y'all, that's it. I may insert a clip with it dry. I may not. You may need to catch me on Instagram to see what it looks like dry. But that is it. It smells good. It's smooth. It actually smells like, to me, it smells like the Cantu, what is that? What is that conditioner that everybody uses, especially when you first began your natural hair journey? So it smells good. It smells, it's a light scent. This is a light formula. It's not overly thick. This is not made with wax. No wax. You don't have to worry about that. So none of that sticky mess. And what I would suggest you do if you have longer hair like me, or you know, medium length, you know, put your hair into little pigtails, you know, really loose. Get it away from your face and let it dry like that. I'm about to let it air dry. I'm about to cut on this fan here. I will go ahead and leave their information in the description box. You guys let me know what you think. Have you tried a temporary hair color before? I know there are some other brands out there, but have you tried this brand? Have you tried other brands? Have you ever considered doing it? Do you want to color your hair? Do you want to go for a different look this summer? You know, jazz it up a little bit. Let me know in the comments. And me and my purple fingers will talk to you roses later. Bye.